Hello friends, good morning. So today I'm here at Jal Mahal in Jaipur this morning. So I'll show you the Jal Mahal here. I'm just walking right now. So ये बहुत बड़ा एरिया है. वहाँ पे एक वो हाईवे है और यहाँ पे ये जल महल का kind of park, theme park. So I'm just walking and watching the birds. Very different kind of species of birds living here. See, ये बगुल भी है और बहुत टाइप के बर्ड्स है यहाँ पे. So it's a best opportunity to watch these birds. Very beautiful birds are living here, or maybe migratory birds. So, all kind of species from migrated. Migratory birds are here. देखो यहाँ पे कितने सारे birds है. They be beautiful birds. मैं जूम करके दिखा रहा हूँ आपको. ये देखो birds ही birds है. Birds ही birds in this lake. Very beautiful. देखो यहाँ पे पेलिकन भी है, तो मैं आपको जूम करके दिखा रहा हूँ. एक पेलिकन है, ये पेलिकन है, ये भी पेलिकन है, ये व्हाइट पेलिकन है. देखो क्या मस्त है ये पेलिकन्स. They are enjoying their inside on the lake. So this is the Jal Mahal in Jaipur. Here you can see the birds. अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ नाहरगढ़ फोर्ट. सो रुका हूँ यहाँ पे. ये एयरफोर्स स्टेशन का बस स्टॉप है. सो आई एम गोइंग बाय रैपिडो बाइक टुवर्ड्स दिस लैंड. तो अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ नाहरगढ़ फोर्ट. सो यहाँ से सीधा ट्रैकिंग करके जा रहा हूँ. आपको दिखा रहा हूँ नीचे. ये देखो पूरा जयपुर दिख. ये देखो ये नीचे से पूरा जयपुर सिटी, और मैं ऊपर ऐसे सर के जा रहा हूँ नाहरगढ़ फोर्ट. ये बहुत ऊपर का है फोर्ट. ऊपर है फोर्ट. पतंग उड़ा रहा है सब लोग. संक्रांति आ रहा है ना, तो मकर संक्रांति में इंडिया के बहुत सारे जगह में, मोस्टली नॉर्थ इंडिया, पतंग फेस्टिवल होता है. जो गुजरात का मेन फेस्टिवल है. बट ये राजस्थान में है अभी. बट ये गंदगी हर जगह है, कहीं पे भी जाओ इंडिया में, एक्सेप्ट सिक्किम. एवरीवेयर प्लास्टिक 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 पोल्यूशन. सी मैं जा रहा हूँ ऊपर, नीचे रहा ये सिटी जयपुर. So this is the entrance door of Nahargarh Fort. I just reached. Wow, this is a massive door. So this is the parking place at Nahargarh. I came from another road. So there's a two road. So this is the main entrance. I just entered. Uh, the entry fees is 102 rupees for Indian, and for foreigners I think it's more. But my question is, where does money goes? Because it's very dirty surrounding, everywhere plastic garbage, plastics garbage everywhere. So this is the fort. I'm inside the fort right now. Sustain your heritage, but very dirty surrounding. तो इनसाइड नाहरगढ़ मैं आपको एक चीज़ दिखाता हूँ. This is the step well built for collecting, conserving rainwater coming through the channels laid out on the hills of Nahargarh. Small sandbars were built into the channels and intervals filter the water. So this is the step well polluted by people here as well. Everywhere pollution, trash, nice civic sense of people. So this is the Nahargarh Fort in Jaipur, Rajasthan, India. It's a very beautiful but very dirty surrounding. I think it's not been managed well by government. So this is inside the fort. Wow, it's mesmerizing, the architecture. Here are many doors. These are all made from marbles and wood craft. It's very beautiful wood. I think most luxurious the building, and the architecture is amazing. Wow. Oh my god, these are covers. They made covers at that time. So they, I believe, kept their things inside. Here another door. I don't know where it goes. My god. This is another room. Oh, this is locked. I'm going. Beautiful doors. There's another room. This is a completely different kind of architecture. It's like Mughal architecture. But I don't know, this is Rajput architecture or Mughal architecture. I'm not sure. Wow. Wow. You can see this beautiful door. Wow. It's a massive door. Inside another way. There's some space. There's some space. There are many rooms. You can say the east facing, west facing, north facing and south facing doors. Wow. I don't know for what purpose they built this room. Wow. I don't know. This is a kind of space they made this. What is this? They made this inside. They're very smart enough at the time. Wow. Wow. I never seen anywhere in India like this kind of architecture. This is amazing. It's like the kind of I saw in Russia. Oh, that is I believe Hindu god Ganesha. This is window where you can see the beautiful and the cards. Wow, the craft. The this is west facing. This west facing. This is completely west facing and the beautiful sculpture. Wow, this is amazing. See, I'm going the first floor of this beautiful palace, or I can say fort. People are taking photos. So this is the so this is Ahmed first floor where people are taking photography. Wow, this is massive. The designs on the marbles. Wow. This is also west facing. Wow. It's very beautiful. There's another cover on this massive room. Wow. It's a very beautiful. It's totally separated. It's like a bedroom. There's a glass. I think this is new, not before they made. Wow. You can't imagine this place. This palace is very beautiful. And wow, what a beauty. This is the drainage system made by them before. This is the Jaipur city from the top of Nahargarh Fort, or you can see the palace.